Day 285, the wind-up before the battle. He teaches my hands to war so that my arms can bend a bow of bronze. Psalm 18:34. Before David defeated Goliath, there was much preparation. Always before victory comes intense training. Many believers desire the outcome of maturity without embracing the process that produces it. Yet the Father develops sons through preparation, repetition, instruction, correction, and increasing dependency. Training can often feel awkward. Progress can appear slow. There are moments when you feel as though you are missing more than hitting the target. But the Father is never discouraged by the process. We may still see it as failure. He knows it is learning and development. He knows exactly what He is forming within you. It's Christ. The enemy wants you to quit during preparation. He wants you to interpret difficulty as failure. The Father sees it all differently. We must see everything from His point of view. The Father sees growth occurring beneath the surface. We may look above the surface and see nothing. It's important to see as the Father sees. Every lesson learned, every act of responsiveness and obedience, every moment of trust, every season of stretching, waiting, enduring, obeying, none of it is wasted, for you've been with the Father all that time. The same Father who prepares sons also equips them for what lies ahead. Do not despise the training seasons. The skills, wisdom, discernment, and dependency being formed today will be absolutely essential for tomorrow's assignment. This is how Jesus lived, and it's how the many sons will live. The Father is teaching your hands to war, not according to human strength, but according to His life within you. And this warfare will be very, very fruitful.